Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play together in Red Dead Redemption 2 step by step. Start by launching the game and choosing online from the main menu, then pick or create your character, and finish the tutorial to unlock multiplayer tools. Next, decide on a session type, such as public, friends, or private, so you can invite specific players or avoid strangers while playing cooperatively. Forming a posse makes cooperative play smooth and fun, so open the player menu and select Create Posse, then invite friends from your session or through platform invites. Set the posse to open, closed, or persistent based on how long you want to play together, and choose a leader to start missions and events. This keeps everyone coordinated and ready for quests, hunts, and free roam activities as a team. Playing activities together is the heart of cooperative fun. Pick free roam missions or stranger missions, then coordinate roles like trader, hunter, or scout before you start. Use events and daily challenges to earn rewards quickly while working as a unit, and share camp duties, supplies, and crafting to keep everyone equipped. Communicate over voice or quick chat to synchronize actions, avoid friendly fire, and maximize gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.